What if we could build our very first Arduino project using just a few LEDs, a breadboard, and an Arduino Uno? In this video, we'll learn how to connect external LEDs, understand how real circuits are built, and create a simple multi-LED sequence project using Arduino. Let's get started. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Arduino series. In the previous video, we explored how the Blink program works and understood the logic behind controlling an LED using Arduino. Until now, we've only worked with the built-in LED available on the Arduino board. But real-world Arduino projects involve external components, breadboards, resistors, sensors, and circuits. Today, we're taking our first step into practical electronics by building our first real Arduino circuit. And by the end of this video, we'll create a simple multi-LED project. For this project, we will need Arduino Uno, breadboard, one red LED, one blue LED, one white LED, 3 220 ohm resistors, jumper wires, USB cable. If you have all these components ready, let's begin. Let's start by building a simple external LED circuit. Take a look at the circuit diagram shown on the screen. Connect Arduino digital pin 13 to a 220 ohm resistor. Then connect the resistor to the positive leg or anode of the LED. Next, connect the negative leg or cathode of the LED to the GND pin of the Arduino. The resistor limits the current flowing through the LED and protects it from damage. Before moving forward, make sure your connections match the circuit diagram exactly. Once your circuit is ready, we'll upload our first program and test it. Before we upload the code, let's quickly understand the components we're using. LED stands for light emitting diode. Every LED has two terminals. The longer leg is called the anode, which is the positive terminal. The shorter leg is called the cathode, which is the negative terminal. Now let's talk about the resistor. The resistor limits the amount of current flowing through the LED. Without a resistor, excessive current can damage the LED permanently. That's why we use a 220 ohm resistor to protect the LED and ensure it operates safely. We also use a breadboard to build our circuit. A breadboard allows us to create and test electronic circuits without soldering. Internally, several rows of holes are electrically connected together, making it easy to connect components and modify circuits quickly. Now that we understand the basics of LEDs, resistors, and breadboards, now let's test our circuit. Open the Arduino IDE and upload the following program. int LED equals 13, void setup, pinMode LED output, void loop, digitalWrite LED high, delay 1000, digitalWrite LED low, delay 1000. After uploading the code, observe the LED. You should see it blinking every second. Congratulations, you have successfully built and controlled your first external electronic circuit using Arduino. But we're not stopping here. Let's build something more interesting. Now let's expand our circuit by adding 2 more LEDs. As shown in the diagram, connect the red LED to pin 11, the blue LED to pin 12, and the white LED to pin 13 through 220 ohm resistors. Connect all LED cathodes to ground. Once your connections match the diagram, we're ready to upload the program. Upload the program to your Arduino board. Let's understand how this code works. First, we create 3 variables for the LEDs. Inside the setup function, all 3 pins are configured as outputs. Inside the loop function, the red LED turns on for 1 second. The blue LED turns on for 1 second. The white LED turns on for 1 second. After that, the sequence repeats continuously. This creates a simple LED sequence project. Let's see it in action. The red LED turns on first. Then the blue LED turns on. Finally, the white LED turns on. The LEDs switch automatically according to the program sequence. This simple project introduces an important concept: controlling multiple outputs using Arduino. Now it's your turn. Can you improve this project? Here are a few ideas. Create a police light effect. create a running light pattern, create an SOS signal, add a push button to change patterns. If you try any of these challenges, let me know in the comments. Let's see who can build the most creative LED sequence. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And if you're following this Arduino series, make sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss upcoming lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.